Same like I did in previous video about lists, I will dedicate this video to sets. And again, before we continue, we will create new file and we will call this file set.py. And I will show you here what sets are and how we create sets. So we already said that the main difference how we write lists and sets in code is that with square brackets we make lists and with curly braces we make sets. So that means if I want to make some set, this will be curly braces I will use to put items inside. And let's use first numbers, integers. And of course I will again assign this set to some variable, integer set. And now when I want to print what's inside this, I will simply print like we did everything else. And I need to run this like this, that you can see result. And you see this is given a result. I can also make for loop and I can say for some element in my integer set print element. And when I run application now, I will see this is what I will get. So this is how we will execute sets from the Python using print function or for loop. And you see difference is in the way how it will be shown and written. This is when we use print and this is when we use for loop. And now, of course, we will do the same thing like with list. We will add element in our set. But before we do that, let me show you. We can make string set. It's the name of variable and create set for, let's say, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And we can again print string set. And when we run this, we will get our set shown as it's entered here. So what if I want to add here Sunday, for example, or if I want to add here 50? I will use pre-built command string set dot. You see here when you press dot, many pre-built options what you can use. We will use add. And we will simply type Sunday here. And watch what will happen now. Print string set. Look now, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. When I run it, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Friday. When I rerun it, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Sunday. When I rerun it, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday. And also here. Everything what's written is in set, it's randomly printed out. That's the way how it works. And for example, if I want to remove Tuesday, in list we use a pre-built function called pop. Here it's called remove. So string set dot remove, and I want to remove Tuesday, for example. Not like I said. And now when I print string set, I will see that inside my set there is no more Tuesday. When I rerun it, it's again randomly printed. The same option for remove specific item from our list. So same pre-built function remove we can use if we want to remove specific item from our list. For example, we will say string list variable and we will use what? Square brackets, and we will assign Monday, we will assign Tuesday, and we will assign again Sunday. And we will print string list. You will see in our result this is list because it have square brackets, right? And this is set because it have curly braces. So like I said, if I want to remove specific object from my list, I will use same pre-built function called remove. So I will do string list dot remove, and let's say I want to remove Tuesday. And now when I print string list, you will see that there is no more Tuesday inside. The main difference between set and list is that in set you can put one item as unique, you cannot duplicate it. But in list I can, for example, multiply Monday several times. And I will do it just once. And now when I print, you will see that I have Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, and Monday again. And when I remove Tuesday here, I have Monday, Sunday, Monday. But what if I want to remove Monday? What do you think? What will happen? Watch now. It's removed Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday. So Python will remove first value of written value here, which appears in our list. So it won't take random or last, no, it will take first. And to show you, I will make Monday here one more time, that you will see first it will be double Monday, 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 Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday. So first item when appears in list will be removed with this remove pre-built function. Of course, because sets work like they work, and you cannot, for example, let's remove list to not make confusion. You cannot, for example, call with, let's say, string set, and then I want to call something on index 0. I simply cannot do that because set does not work like that, like list. This is the main difference. So that means I cannot give you an assignment like I did with list, that you, for example, swap places of item inside set, because like you see, it's printed each time randomly. I simply cannot do that because every time when you print it, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, will be random. So it's not possible to make swap like we did in list. And that's the way how set works. In most of the cases, you will use set like I did here to use items in for loop. And mostly what you need to know about set so far is this, how I show you in this video. This is the basic and most common way how we will use them in some future videos. So like you see, comparing with lists, there is not big difference. In list we have to put some item inside a function called append, here is add, and we have option called remove, which we can use also in list. And let me remove what I delete here. What if I want to, let's say, string list add, and I say something, and then I print string list. You see this is highlighted, so I will get error because this function actually in list does not exist. This is the main thing what you need to know. There is a difference of pre-built function for list and for set. And I think for now, to understand how sets work and how lists work, this is enough for you. I hope it's not confusing. This is very easy to understand actually. And only thing what you need to take care and be careful is when you build some list, that you make a difference how you will start to make set or to make list. You will make a list with square brackets. You will make set with curly braces. This is the main difference, how you will see the difference between list and set. And second thing is when you use pre-built function, they are not the same. There are some similar and some same pre-built function, but to add something in set, you will use pre-built function add, and to remove something, you will use function remove and type the name of item, exact name, what you want to remove. And same thing you will do with list. If you want to remove something from list, you will use pre-built function remove with exact name of item, what you want to remove. So I hope that, guys, this is more than clear for everyone. And we can now move on our next chapter in this tutorial, where we will talk a little bit more about other pre-built functions in Python. So see you next video.